Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing well. Today I have a short and sweet video, but it's definitely an unboxing from Chanel, which I am super excited to reveal to you guys. This has been an item that I would say has been on my wish list for a while, but I do feel like it's a little bit hard to find and I've kind of stopped asking around for it. I have been sitting on this Neiman Marcus gift card that I've been meaning to use. Every time I pop into the Neiman Marcus that's closest to my house, I will swing by the Chanel boutique in there to see if there's anything I'm looking for. And currently what I'm looking for right now is a card holder, but I haven't been able to find one in a color that I really want. So I haven't bought one yet. But the other day I was with some girlfriends and we were actually at a Neiman Marcus that's a little bit further from me, so a different one than the one I usually go to. And we walked in and I thought I would just browse at Chanel while we were there. And again, they didn't have any card holders that I liked, but I asked about one other item and they had it in stock, and I was so shocked that they actually had it in stock. And I was just kind of like, yes, I want to buy this. So I went ahead and I used my gift card to buy it. And yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and do the actual reveal. So here is the bag with the beautiful camellia, and my sales associate tied it with the ribbon right here. So let me undo the ribbon. And here is the item inside the bag. You can see that it's a small item. It's an SLG. So here is the item right here. I'm so excited. It's definitely been a while since I've done a proper unboxing on this channel. Do you guys ever feel like you don't want to undo it because it's so perfect? Okay, I want to keep the camellia on there, so I think I'm going to, there we go. Oh, it's already stuck on there. Okay, here we go. And here is my receipt. Okay, so here's the box. And here is the dust bag. And the care booklet is right there at the bottom. Oh my gosh, are you guys ready? I'm so excited. Okay, so here we go. To reveal the key holder in black lambskin with light gold hardware. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And here is the back pocket. So let's look at the inside. Here's this little felt protector. And here is the inside right there. So there are 4 spots for keys, and then this is for your key fob for your car, which I don't own a car, so I'm not going to need this. And there's a little pocket right here. So if you guys were interested, I actually think, because the sales associate told me that she was surprised that she saw a few in stock at various Chanel boutiques. So I actually wonder if they are making a little bit more, or more might be available. So it might be worth checking with your local boutique. These might not be as rare as they used to be. There was a time when I just stopped asking about them because they were just never in stock. I don't know, it's possible I just got really lucky, but I also think it might be worth asking your own SA about this key holder if you're interested in it. So here's all the information. And so here's what it looks like. And you can already see there's a little bit of indentation right there. And I just feel like that is inevitable. That's absolutely going to happen no matter what. And this part lifts up, so you can see what the inner part looks like. Oh, this is really interesting. This has like a barcode underneath, and it doesn't have an authenticity card. So I wonder now if they're coming out with SLGs that don't have authenticity cards. Anyway, that is very interesting to note. But here we go. Here's what it looks like without the felt. And so I do have 2 key holders right now, and they're both from Louis Vuitton. So my current setup is this. I have my 6-ring key holder. Definitely has seen better days. The button is starting to wear slightly. I'm not sure if you guys can see that because it is really reflective, but I can see that part of the brass part is starting to rub off. This has 6 slots for keys, which I need for work because I have a work mail key as well as a work office key. And behind here, I have my work ID. So in white is my work ID, which I need to get in and out of the mailroom, and this black thing is a tile card so that I can keep track of my keys in case I lose them. And those fit really, really nicely in here. So I'm definitely not getting rid of this. This is not going to be a replacement for this at all, but I have sort of been thinking about replacing this, and I do really like this a lot. I have been using this on the days where I don't go to the office, anytime I just go out with friends or you know, running errands or whatever, and it's been really, really great. And I have my keys here. So this is what it looks like. I have 4 keys here, which would go perfectly in the Chanel key holder. I also have a tile tracker on here as well. And I don't know, I think I've been sort of ready for a change. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of this. I think this key pouch is really good to have, but I've also noticed that because it is a little bit on the bulkier side with the towel tracker in there, I do feel like the zipper is becoming a little bit misshapen. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just not in a straight line. Even though this has been amazing, has served me well, I'm very, very happy to have this. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of this. I think it's still a good piece to have. I think I'm ready for a change, and I'm ready to try the Chanel for a little while and see how it goes. So I'm probably gonna move these keys over here and use this for a bit and see how it goes. I am a little bit nervous about the lambskin. When I asked around the store, this was the only one that they had, and she said they don't make them in caviar anymore. I'm not sure if they ever made them in caviar, but at least in current production, they're not making them in caviar. It's only lambskin. I do really like the fact that it has this back pocket right here, so that if I'm running out the door and I just want to grab my keys and then like maybe one credit card and an ID, I can stick that in the back pocket, so that's really convenient. But yeah, I'm just really excited to have this. I really was never expecting to get this, especially brand new from the boutique, and it was even better that I was able to use my Neiman Marcus gift card to pay for this, so I actually didn't have to pay anything out of pocket. Anyway, here's my first purchase of 2023. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would really, really mean a lot to me. And with that, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.